Welcome to LoadOptimizer.ai, your intelligent tool for optimizing loads and maximizing space efficiency. To achieve the most optimized filling for either your truck, container, or other carrier, you can calculate the best loading plan within minutes, saving you money. The process starts by defining your carriers. These can be trucks or containers. The tool includes different custom preset containers that you can use and set up. You can also configure your own container with custom dimensions based on your own fleet. We offer multi-carrier optimization, so you can include more of your currently available fleet and let the Load Optimizer tool solve for the best possible outcome with the highest utilization of your available trucks. In this case, I selected 2 trucks of one type and 2 trucks of another type. The second step is to determine and enter your items, boxes, or objects. There are several ways to do this in our tool. You can do it manually by defining different kinds of items. For example, you can add a box and set its specific parameters, including dimensions, weight, and quantity. You can also define different constraints and parameters for it. For example, if it contains delicate goods, you can prevent other products from being placed on top of it. You can allow certain rotations for that item, and the AI takes this into account while stacking, filling, and optimizing the truckloads. You can also use our chatbot LoadOptimizer, which is very useful for analyzing your data and quickly transferring either a file or an input into a specific input for the Load Optimizer. Once you're done, you can configure several parameters for your order, such as whether you want to stack your truck from the back to the front or from the bottom to the top. Several presets are available, and you can also make it possible to shift the mass to the center of your truck. There is also an option for multi-carrier optimization if that is possible for your truckload. There are several ways to set this within our tool. Once you're done, all the input information needed by the AI is in place. Now you can click Calculate Load, and your optimized load plan will be created. In the 3D viewer, you can inspect the result where for this order, we can see that we achieved a very high filling rate for this dataset. For each truck, you can see the specific stacking and how it has been filled. As you can see for this order, there are 13 boxes that are not possible to pack inside this configuration. You can view which boxes they are. If you need to make any manual adjustments, you can go into our Edit menu, fine-tune the load based on your needs. Once you're done, you can confirm that this is the result. Then you move to the final step, which is using the result in your process to translate the optimized AI result from the viewer into real-world situations. There are several ways to do that. You can export the placement instructions into a placement loading manual. You can export the raw placement data of each item to a spreadsheet. You can create a shareable link to share the results with your team, or you can connect your own systems to our API. Try LoadOptimizer.ai today and start saving on your loads.